CompTIA Tech Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 2.3 Compare and contrast storage types. Flash drive. A flash drive is a portable storage device that uses non-volatile flash memory to store digital data. While it uses the same type of flash memory as an SSD, the key difference is portability. Flash drives are small, compact, and easy to carry, making them perfect for transferring files between devices when network options aren't available. A flash drive may also be called a thumb drive or a USB flash drive if it has a USB connector. Just like an SSD, flash drives use flash memory, a type of non-volatile memory that retains data even when power is removed. This allows you to store files on the drive and access them later without the need for a continuous power source. Flash drives have a connector or interface on one end, which plugs into a computer, laptop, or other compatible device. The interface provides both data transfer and power to the flash drive, eliminating the need for additional cables or power adapters. Once connected to a computer, the flash drive appears as a removable storage device in the operating system. From there, you can simply drag and drop files or folders onto the drive to store them. Similarly, you can copy files from the flash drive to your computer for accessing or editing. Memory cards can also be considered a form of flash drive. These too use flash memory technology to store and transfer data. However, there are some differences in terms of form factor and usage. Memory cards are typically smaller and thinner than traditional USB flash drives. They are designed to be inserted into specific memory card slots on devices such as cameras, smartphones, tablets, and other computing devices. Common types of memory cards include secure digital or SD cards, mini SD cards, micro SD cards, compact flash cards, and XD picture cards. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.